Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Speedy Travels. Guys, as you all know, I've been making Schengen visa application step-by-step guides videos, and it's also important to note that I've done more than 11 countries, and it was very exciting for me. Nonetheless, I've decided to stop creating that content. Reason is because all the Schengen visa processes that I've made have similar step-by-step guide. What do I mean? You just need to book an appointment first before you'll be able to get your Schengen visa. Hence why I don't really want to be repeating myself. So all the Schengen visa has similar approaches. You first of all secure your appointment, and you have to walk in for your appointment and visa submission and all of that. So there's no point of repeating myself, trying to make the same video all over again. So some of the countries that I have not made, the best thing I could do is to leave the description, the URL, that's the website, the official website of those countries, in the description of this video. So if you have gone through my channel and you are seeing some of the countries I've done and you are watching this video right now, all you need to do is to check this description. I'm going to be dropping all the URL of the official website. Okay, now we all know that for you to be able to book appointments, you have to go to VFS Global, okay, depending on the country. So I think the best thing I could also do is to talk about the document that is required. So talking about the document requirement, this is in no particular order. You need your official passport, ordinary passport. Okay, if you're Nigerian, you know what I mean. If you're in any other country, you bring your passport. Okay, then you also need your travel itinerary. You need your what's it called, your proof of fund. Okay, you need letter of invitation if you are being invited by your friend or by any organization. If you are going for tourism, you also have to provide proof of accommodation. See, this is in no particular order. Now, coming to this itinerary, you don't necessarily need to book because you don't really know the decision of the consular. So what is best advice is you schedule, you make reservations. So I have a video where I explain how you can reschedule, how you can like reserve your flight and the hotel without making actual payment, because you wouldn't want to spend money in visa fee and also spend money in accommodation and flight. So since you don't know the decision of the consulate yet, you shouldn't book your flight or accommodation yet. Okay, it's best advice you make reservation. So you can also check the video in the card up here, or you check the description of this video for that. Okay, so the next document you'll be needing is your passport photograph. Now this passport photograph should be in what's it called, white background. And also each country has the requirement, so it's always advisable to check each country website before you travel. Okay, so these are just the compulsory documents that you need. Okay, so if there's any document and stuff like that, I'm going to be writing them in the description of this video as well. Okay, so please make sure that you do all of these things yourself. It's not that easy. That's why I've availed myself to make these videos. Do not let anybody fool you. So these are the processes that you can do by yourself. It's not that difficult. It's something that you can do by yourself. Trust me. Everything is in the hands of the consular. Everything is in the hands of the embassy. So therefore, all you need to do is to get your documents. Make sure that the required documents are complete. Then you are good to go. Go to the consulate, go to the VFS application center and pay your visa fee and all of the good stuff. You are good to go. So now I've done justice on Schengen visas. Schengen visa grants you access to 27 Schengen areas. Okay, so now without any border control. And someone asked me a question, and I would like to generally address this. She said that a friend of hers said that he was denied a visa because he doesn't have a travel history. And she was asking me if that was true. To be very honest, it depends. Actually, it depends. And why do I say that it depends? Because your grace and their grace are different. That one aside. Now, it depends on what they did, their documents, their proof of fund. Okay, so people can say, oh, let's say whichever country don't grant visa to this particular country or that. It depends, my sister. It depends. So always make sure that you are doing your own part. All your documents are complete and it's well scanned, not snap scanned. Some of you don't know how to scan, so some of you don't know how to snap very, like scan it very. You can scan with your phone. I'm going to teach differently how you can do all of that scanning with your phone. Now if you are first applicant, if you're first time applying to any Schengen area, always make sure that you use single entry. Apply to a single country first, travel and come back. If it's your second time, you can do double entry, that's two entries, or you can do multiple entries. But you cannot be applying for your first Schengen visa and you are doing multiple entries. Hello. You have to do first as your first, if you're first applicant. Okay, so all of these things are measures. All of these things are things that you have to put in check before you travel. You don't know what the person did, so don't use another person's story to determine your own compass when it comes to application or visa, because you don't know what they did. Even if they are first I've seen to a first applicant that got US visa. So what is that? However, in a nutshell, I'm trying to say that anybody can get visa. It doesn't mean whether you are a first applicant. Like I said earlier, make sure that your documents are documents are like your ticket. They are like your what's it called? They are like your open doors. I don't know, because this person doesn't know you. So these are the things that when they see, they will be convinced that. Also, I forgot to mention travel insurance. You have to also include your travel insurance. Okay, so if you have any question, kindly drop that in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to Speedy Travels if you are yet to do so. See you guys on my next video, and please do not make this your last. Toodles.